everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use saved presets in CapCut on PC. We can see here that we have just created a logo transition clip. Right-click on the clip to create a compound clip. Right-click again and select Save Preset. Then go to the Media tab, click on your presets, where you can find the logo transition clip you just saved. Click to preview the preset. Now, we can easily apply the logo transition to other videos. And there you have it. You have learned how to use saved presets in CapCut on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.